back to our channel. So today I would like to share how to make a tea time snack, which could be converted into a meal as well. So this is a very typical one that we usually have, especially after school, after work, on a rainy day. This is something that it's a go-to. And the chutney that goes along with it is even better. So if you haven't seen any of this, check out our videos and I will share those links in the bottom of this video. The hero for this evening or this video is actually tapioca or yuca or cassava, whichever one that you go by, it's fine. It looks really scary long, but it's really good. So let's show you how to prep it, how to cook with it, what kind of dishes can go with it, all that kind of stuff. For this recipe, I'm going to be cutting them in small pieces so I can actually boil them and serve it along with our chutney. This comes with a wax covering, which is to preserve from going bad. It won't last a long time, not in the fridge, not in the freezer, like this. But you can take off the skin and put it in a Ziploc bag, pop it into your freezer. That would stay better. The usual ones, when we buy them, it usually goes bad because we don't know how long it's been in the box for. So if you don't want to go through this mess, these are the cassava or tapioca ones that we can buy at an Asian grocery store. It doesn't have to be an Indian store. It's available in every Asian store. So check this out. I got a thing ready. When it comes to our traditional, we gotta go with the traditional knife. This. Take off both the ends, cut them into small pieces, take off the skin. So let me show you how that's done. That's pretty damn good. All right. In case if you haven't had your upper body workout, this would do. Okay, so let's go. See, how do you tell if it's good or bad? If you look at the flesh, it should be pure white, like Snow White. If there's anything else in it, it's a no-no. Don't do it. Okay? See, when these things come, that's why this thing actually is very handy. There's no particular measurements for this, but wow, that came out pretty good. Okay, so how to do it, right? Just ever so slightly into it. There's 2 layers of skin. Make sure to just cut just that, not all the way through. Okay, and then what you're going to do is slightly tilt your knife so you can peel that skin. It's supposed to come. See, it's coming. And it just peels right off. This is a really good tapioca or yuca or cassava. What do you call this in your language? You can comment below. We might learn a few things here. So this is one tapioca that I cut into pieces. I'm going to wash it really well. In the meantime, I'm going to get a pan ready or a stock pot or whichever one that you have on. Pour some water in it and let it come to boil. Okay. So it is ready for us and vice versa. Okay, wash and be back. So this is one method of how to clean your tapioca. Now I'll show you another video of how to make it into a smashed tapioca. Instead of smashed potato, you could have smashed tapioca or cassava or whatever. Okay, so water is coming to a boil. We want to add these in there. So wash them, prep them. So now what we're going to do is cut right in the middle, okay? Like so. The name of this dish is Chenda tapioca. Chenda means it's a musical instrument in India. What do these remind you of? Right? There's another vegetable in Indian store. It's called drumsticks. That's a vegetable. Is this a vegetable or not? I don't know. Comment down below. This looks like a drumstick as well, but bigger and fatter, right? So that's also one of the reasons why this recipe is called Chenda Kappa. Kappa means tapioca in our language. So you learned something new. You should teach me something new from your side. Okay, just cutting them in half. And there's this strand of fiber running through, right? You can take that out. You don't have to do it right now, but usually we take it out. Okay, for tapioca, the cooking time always vary because how fat the tapioca it is or how long it's been like that. Typically it's about 10 to 15 minutes. So that's why I'm going to say 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to add all of our yuccas into the boiling water. And I'm not going to add salt at this time, but eventually I will. While this is cooking, we are going to prep a chutney that goes very well with this. Chutney is ready. So I'm going to put this into a bowl and I'll show you how that looks like. Let's peek. Woo! Look at that. So the tapioca is well cooked. It's time to season this with some salt. Heavy on the salt because we're going to drain off of this extra water. Okay. Okay. So after you season this tapioca, let it come to a boil for a couple of minutes so that that flavor gets all into the tapioca. In the meantime, our chutney is ready. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl and season that with some coconut oil and salt. Okay. So to top it off, we are going to season this with some salt. And then top it up a little bit with our coconut oil. How thick you want it, how loose you want it, that is totally up to you. Okay, taste it and see if this flavor is good enough. If you feel that the green chili is too overpowering or the onion is powering, I find it helpful when you use a tablespoon of vinegar. Okay, let's give it a mix and the chutney is done. Our tapioca is done. I'm going to drain this into a colander and then I'm going to show you how to serve this. Alright, so that's how simple it is to make a tea time snack or a healthy meal. You can have just like this. You get all the protein you want. And we drained off all the extra starch so that it's really healthy for you. Give it a try and let me know in the feedbacks how it turned out for you. Don't be scared next time when you see a yucca in your store, right? Make it fun and exciting, and with this chutney I'm sure you will love it. Let me know in the feedbacks. Bye.